Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel, English with GBS Sir. My name is Basraj, an English teacher. I request you all, those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Well, today I am going to teach you the names of the days, months, and seasons in Kannada or Hindu according to Hindu calendar. Let's see one by one. You know, there are 7 days in a week. They are Monday. We say, for Monday, we say Somwara. Tuesday, Mangalavara. Wednesday, Budhavara. Thursday, Guruvara. Friday, Shukravara. Saturday, Shanivara. Sunday, Bhanuvara. For months, we say there are, just like English, there are 12 months in Hindu calendar, Hindu astrology or calendar. For example, every month starts from we know that English calendar starts from the January 1st. It is the New Year's Day. But according to Hindu lunar calendar, it starts from the Yugadi, new moon of the after a new moon, Yugadi starts. From the day of the festival of Yugadi, this new year starts with the Chaitra. Chaitra is the first month. Vaishaka is the second month. Jeshta, Chaitra, Vaishaka, Jeshta, Ashada, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashweja, Kartika, Margashira, Pushya, Maga, Palguna. So there are 12 months according to Hindu calendars. In English calendar, in English tradition, there are 4 seasons. But according to Indian or Hindu tradition, there are 6 seasons. Here also, the spring season starts from the arrival of the spring season, arrival of Vasant Rutu. We call it Vasant Rutu. Vasant Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sharad Rutu, Shashira Rutu, Hemant Rutu. We call them with these 6 names, seasons. ನೋಡಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮರೆಯದೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.